Hello everyone and welcome back to another session of Data Science and AI lecture series. I am Bindeshwar from PostNetwork Academy and today we will explore an essential topic in probability that forms the foundation for many areas of data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. We will focus on solving problems using the classical definition of probability. If you have wondered how to calculate the chances of rolling a doublet with dice or drawing a specific card from a deck, this session is for you. So let's dive in. So there would be questions like what is the total number of outcomes? How do we determine favorable cases? How do probability rules apply to the problem? So let us see one example. Find the probability of a doublet, sum equal to 7, sum greater than 8, 3 on the first die and a multiple of 2 on the second die, prime number on the first die and odd prime on the second die. And these problems you will solve when you are throwing 2 dice. So first, so doublet means on first die and second die numbers are the same. So if you throw 2 dice, so there would be 6 favorable cases. So the probability of event would be 6 upon 36 and that would be 1 upon 6. Second one, sum equal to 7. So we will have 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1. So again we will have 6 favorable cases. So probability of event would be 6 upon 36, that is 1 upon 6. Third one, sum greater than 8. So we will have 3 6 4 5 5 4 6 3 4 6 5 5 5 6 6 5 and 6 6. That means we have 10 favorable cases. So answer would be 5 upon 18. And 3 on the first die and a multiple of 2 on the second die. So we will have 3 cases. That means it may be 3 2, 3 4 and 3 6. On first you can see that 3 and on the second you can see that 2 is a multiple of 2, 4 is a multiple of 2 and 6 is a multiple of 2. So we have 3 favorable cases. So we will get 3 upon 36 and that would be 1 upon 12. Last one, prime number on the first die and odd prime on the second die. So you can see that 2, 2, 2 3 2 5 3 3 3 5 5 3 5 5. Odd prime number is there and you can see that we have 6 favorable cases. So answer would be 1 upon 6. Now let us see when drawing a card and find the probability of drawing a red card, drawing a face card, drawing a spade card, drawing a card other than clubs and drawing a king. So first one, red cards, you have 26. So there are 26 favorable cases. So and the total number of cards are 52. So 26 upon 52 would be our probability. So getting a red card, that event's probability would be 1 upon 2. Face card, there are 12 face card. You can see that jack, queen, king and ace. So there are, you can say that 12 favorable cases and total number of cards are 52. So 3 upon 13. Spade cards again 13 and total number of cards are 52. So 1 upon 4. Non-club cards, So there are 39 non-club cards, because from 52 if you subtract 13, so you will get 39. So 39 upon 52, so that would be 3 upon 4. And kings, so there are 4 kings, so 4 upon 52, and that would be 1 upon 13. So that means probability of getting a king, that would be 1 upon 13. Two children, so if there are two children, so find the probability of elder child is a girl, younger child is a girl, both are girls, both are of opposite sexes. So first one, favorable cases, it may be elder child is girl, so it may be both girls or a girl and a boy. So that would be 1 upon 2. Probability of getting elder child is a girl, that would be 1 upon 2. Second one, younger child is a girl. So that may be girl, girl and boy and girl. So again the probability would be 2 upon 4, and that would be 1 upon 2. Both are girls, so girls and girls. So that would be only one case, that would be girl and girl. So that would be probability of getting both girls, that would be 1 upon 4. Favorable outcome when both are of opposite sexes, so that may be girl boy or boy girl. So that would be 2 upon 4, and that will come 1 upon 2. Now find the probability of getting 53 Sundays. So number of days in a non-leap year, that is 365, and excess day options, it may be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. So there are 7 options, in which one we have our in favor, that means favorable case, that is Sunday. So favorable outcome Sunday, so out of 7, one is in our favor, so probability would be 1 upon 7. Now what is the probability of choosing a vowel? So total letters, you can see that in statistics there are 10. So vowels, there are A, I and I. So that means 3 upon 10. Next, see that horse racing. 3 horses A, B and C are in a race. A is twice as likely to win as B, and B is twice as likely to win as C. Find their respective probabilities. So very easy question. So let probability of winning C is P. So probability of winning B would be 2P, and probability of winning A would be 4P. Now these are probabilities. So if you add them, so that should be 1. So 4P, 2P and P. That sum would be 1. And if you solve, so you will get P 1 upon 7. And just plug all the values. So probability of winning A would be 4 upon 7, probability of winning B would be 2 upon 7, and probability of winning C would be 1 upon 7. So these were the questions related to definition of classical probability. Hope you understood. Now if you want to get some more resources like blog post, videos, quizzes and PDF, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can, if you want to find playlist related to data science, AI, machine learning, mathematics and statistics, you can visit YouTube channel. You can also visit Facebook page for videos and posts. You can connect to LinkedIn page or PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood, and for more resources you can visit all these sources or platforms. Thanks for watching the video.